Phil Harper with Good Society Group. We're live here at Harper Academy, final day of the graduation ceremony, and we're here with one of the very important people that leads the program. Please introduce yourself and tell the people who you are and what you do.
My name is Todd Allen, and I am the chair of the Nuclear Engineering Department here at the University of Michigan. As part of that, I'm on the faculty too. I teach nuclear engineering.
Awesome. So what were your thoughts on this year's program for Harper Academy? And can you give the people a little bit of maybe background on the program itself?
Yeah, so the program, the motivation, Jeff Harper and I have known each other for a long time.
Awesome.
I look for ways to recruit better, get students to understand nuclear engineering is an option. And Jeff and I were having a conversation one year, and he mentioned that one of the things that motivated him to become an engineer was a summer program.
Okay.
But he didn't know anything about it, about engineering, and a counselor said, Jeff, you should go. And he went, and he learned about being an engineer, and it set a career path for him.
Definitely.
So we talked about that and said, well, we could do that for nuclear engineering, right? And it turns out that the College of Engineering here sets up sort of a structure into which we can do these summer programs. So we can teach the nuclear engineering part. We do the academic parts.
Okay.
But they have a program that already took care of housing the students and feeding the students, all those kind of things, as well as experiences that are campus-wide. How do you write an application?
Okay.
What's the football stadium look like? Go to the botanical garden. So we merge those together to create a program. And it's a little bit of a challenge.
Amazing.
Because with high school students, because they're minors, you can't just let them roam freely.
For sure.
So we had to schedule like all day long for 4 weeks, but then you got to balance it.
For sure.
You can't lecture people for 8 hours.
For sure. Got to make it interesting.
Yeah. So we did that last year with 8 students, a little bit of an experiment. Went pretty well, but we figured out how to improve some things and then doubled the size this year. And hopefully the cohort keeps going.
Amazing.
I don't know if I want it any bigger because we want it to be personal also.
Okay. That's amazing. What do you see for maybe the future, any future classes where the program can evolve and go to? Thoughts on the future?
Yeah, so I think that we will continue to tweak things to try to make each day engaging. I've already learned this year, we should have taught these lectures earlier and these ones later.
Okay.
We thought last year doing the heavy, deep lectures first thing in the morning would be best because the students were awake. Mm-hmm. We learned students aren't necessarily awake first thing in the morning.
Okay.
Right? So that, we learned to break them up. So there's going to be pacing things like that.
Definitely.
And I think we've started some traditions like painting the piano.
Okay.
The students painted. We got this piano that was left over from an initiative where they had them all over campus.
Okay.
And we let the students put their imprint on it.
Okay.
So I think each year we're going to let the Harper Academy will wipe it clean, let each group put their
little morale building activity.
Yeah, and so we got things like that. I think worked out really well. So we'll keep doing that, and I think just hopefully as we have more classes, we'll be able to engage more of the alumni.
Okay, definitely.
Talk to the students,
definitely.
You get somewhat motivated by somebody my age. You get more motivated by somebody 2 years ahead of you.
For sure.
Doing something. Yeah.
You have a message to any of the students, the all-stars, or maybe like the program in general? Any final thoughts you want to leave them with?
I'd say just that keep in touch, right? You're going to have questions about things you learned, things you're inspired by because you were here. Don't lose track. I mean, we're vested in their success, right? And we want to help them. And I would say I'm happy if you come to Michigan to be a nuclear engineer. I'm happy if you come to Michigan to be an engineer. I'm happy if you go someplace else to be a nuclear engineer, right? Because if we inspired them to do something interesting with their lives.
That's great. I appreciate you, Todd Allen, y'all. One more time, what's your title here at the university?
Yeah, I'm the chair of the Nuclear Engineering Department here at the University of Michigan.
He is the guy with the master plan in the program. We appreciate you so much, and we look forward to everything in the future for the Academy.
Thanks, appreciate it.
Definitely, we're out. Thank you.